Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your phone model supports 5G and the bands your carrier uses. Once done, verify your plan or eSIM includes 5G service so the network will authenticate you. Also move to a known 5G coverage zone. Indoors near windows may block wave. Now insert an activated SIM or enable the eSIM profile and reboot. That initial restart helps the device register to the correct network and prepares you for the next steps. You should now enable 5G in settings. Go to Mobile Network, choose the preferred network type, and pick 5G or 5G/4G auto so the phone can switch intelligently. Make sure the carrier APN matches the operator's provision. Incorrect APN can block data. Install any pending OS or carrier updates because radio firmware often improves connectivity. Once updated, toggle airplane mode briefly to force a fresh registration. This clears stale network info and helps your handset attach to the optimal cell. Finish by validating the connection. Run a speed test, check ping and throughput, and confirm the network indicator shows 5G or 5G+. If performance is poor, move a few meters, try a higher floor, or step closer to a window to improve signal. If you still don't see 5G, reset network settings to clear incorrect profiles, then reboot and reinsert the SIM. One key troubleshooting tip: if resets fail, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and check local 5G cell status before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.